Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this rectangle ABCD along with these two parallel lines FG and EH, as you can see in this given diagram. And as a result, we are ended up with this blue shaded region, this region, and this whole blue shaded region. And moreover, the length of this rectangle is 8 units, whereas the width of this rectangle is 6 units. And furthermore, this tiny segment HB is 2 units. The red segment GH is 4 units. And finally, this red segment EF is 3 units as well. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue shaded region, this area and this area combined. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus on this rectangle ABCD. And just bear in mind that all these angles are going to be 90 degrees each, since we are dealing with the rectangle. Before we proceed any further, I'm going to calculate the area of this whole rectangle ABCD. And now let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area is always equal to the length times the width of the rectangle. And in our case, the length of this rectangle is 8 units, whereas the width is 6. So therefore, the area of this rectangle ABCD is going to be 8 times 6, and that is going to give us simply 48 square units. So thus the area of this rectangle turns out to be 48. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this side of this rectangle is 8 units. So therefore, this other side AB is going to be 8 units as well. And now we know that this segment is 2 units, this segment is 4 units. So therefore, this remaining segment has got to be 2 units as well, since the sum of all these 3 segments should be equal to 8. And now, since we are interested in calculating the area of this blue shaded region combined, and we are going to think outside the box, and I'm going to drag this blue triangle AFG all the way over here. As you can see in this next step, I have dragged that triangle right over here, such that this side of the triangle coincides with this line EH, and as a result we are ended up with this white trapezoid. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this blue shaded region area is going to be equal to the area of the whole rectangle ABCD minus the area of this white trapezoid. And since we already figured out the rectangle area as 48, so now our only task is to calculate the area of this white trapezoid. So therefore, now we are going to calculate the area of this white trapezoid. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to the height h times the sum of the bases a and b all over 2. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this segment is going to be equal to this segment. This is 2. So therefore, this segment has got to be 2. And furthermore, this whole base AH is going to be 2 plus 4 is going to make it 6 units. And finally, this segment, which is our height, is going to be 3 units. So thus now we have our height h equals to 3, our base a equals to 2, and our other base b equals to 6. So therefore the area of this trapezoid is going to be, our height is 3 divided by 2 times our a value is 2 plus 6, and now we can see 2 plus 6 is going to give us 8. So therefore we got 3 divided by 2 times 8, and that is going to be equal to 12 square units. So thus the area of this white trapezoid turns out to be 12 square units. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this blue shaded region, and that is going to be equal to the rectangle area minus the white trapezoid area. And we already figured out our rectangle area is 48 and the white trapezoid area is 12. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So we got 48 minus 12, and that is going to be equal to 36 square units, the area of this blue shaded region. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of the blue shaded region turns out to be 36 square units. In other words, the area of this region and this region that turns out to be equal to 36 square units, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.